Icala elibhekene nendawo yobumnandi nokuzijabulisa iZanzou libonakala lithathe elinye igxathu njengoba I-Newzroom Afrika isikwazi ukuthola ulwazi ngezisulu ezithi zahlukunyezwa kulendawo kanti nezakhamuzi zalendawo zisashaqekile.
Most importantly, we should examine the place that we groove in and the place that we enjoy ourselves in. For example, it's beyond disappointing that this is a place that many of us enjoy ourselves in, and we wouldn't have guessed, even in an instant, that such things were happening in this club.
We're really shocked because we come here to enjoy ourselves, not knowing what happens in the background. So as young women, when I saw that, I didn't feel safe. And for me, I just felt like just sit home and not go anywhere because this is what happens in our clubs.
Ungoti wezomthetho uthi izisulu kanye nabenzi bokubi bangase bayithole bebhekene nengalo yomthetho ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi babike ngokuhlukunyezwa kwabo kanti nabo babe sephutheni kulendawo.
Victims may or may not be, and I'm working on the basis that's alleged, are alleged perpetrators. Now, they are going to be pursuing criminal charges, but in pursuing those criminal charges, there's going to be evidence that will be tendered that they were themselves involved in a criminal enterprise in one way or another. So now you've got two conflicting criminal enterprises operating, which means that both parties run a risk of being convicted and found guilty, which also infringes on a constitutional right because of the two different cases of self-incrimination.
Abengalo yomthetho banxuse abangaba nolwazi ngalezi igameko ukuba beze ngaphambili.